Because I remember when our boys were like 3 and 4 months of age, I did experiments on them. And the kind of experiment I did is I would transfer their 3-dimensional toy with a 2-dimensional cutout that was the same color and the same size. And I noticed they couldn't tell the difference. But when they got to be 7 months old, they could tell the difference. And I did this on a few different children, discovering that children are born thinking 2-dimensionally. By the time they get a few months old, they transition to 3-dimensional thinking. But the problem is you kind of get stuck in 3-dimensional thinking. The reason why I think a 3-year-old gets this more easily than a 50-year-old, a 3-year-old is only 2.5 years away from transitioning from 2-dimensional thinking to 3-dimensional thinking. The problem with many of you is that you've been in a 3-dimensional rut for 40 years. And it's a little bit hard to think about a God who transcends 10 space-time dimensions. But I'll tell you this, physicists many years ago proved that the universe we live in has 9 dimensions of space, not just 3, which means God is bigger than those 9 dimensions. And that's what I share with little children. If God is bigger than the dimensions we know exist, what does that tell us about the power of God, and what does it tell us about His capacity to listen to all of our prayers and to answer all of our prayers?